Hello everyone, and welcome back to our beginner English course. This is lesson 2, and today we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. In the last lesson, we learned how to greet people and introduce ourselves. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to check it out, because today's lesson builds on what we learned before. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say the most common daily routine activities in English. Use simple verbs like wake up, eat, go, sleep. Talk about the time of day. Make short sentences about your day. Practice a full daily routine dialogue in English. So let's get started. Part 1. Daily routine vocabulary. Daily routine means the things we do every day. Here are some of the most common daily actions. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Get up. I get up at 7:10. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash my face. I wash my face. Take a shower. I take a shower. Have breakfast. I have breakfast. Go to school or work. I go to school. I go to work. Study. I study English. Have lunch. I have lunch at 1 p.m. Go home. I go home at 5 p.m. Watch TV. I watch TV in the evening. Have dinner. I have dinner at 8 p.m. Read. I read a book. Sleep or go to bed. I sleep at 10 p.m. Repeat after me slowly. Wake up. Get up. Brush my teeth. Wash my face. Take a shower. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to work. Study. Have lunch. Go home. Watch TV. Have dinner. Read. Sleep. Great job. Part 2. Time expressions. We also need to talk about time of the day. In the morning, I go to school in the morning. In the afternoon, I have lunch in the afternoon. In the evening, I watch TV in the evening. At night, I sleep at night. Repeat after me. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night. Now let's combine. I wake up in the morning. I go to work in the afternoon. I have dinner in the evening. I sleep at night. Part 3. Making sentences. Now we will make simple sentences with I plus verb. Examples. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I go to work at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Practice with me. I say the beginning. You finish the sentence. I wake up at. I go to school at. I have dinner at. Excellent. Part 4. Short dialogue. Now let's practice a simple conversation about daily routine. Listen carefully. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you? I wake up at 7 o'clock. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast.
I go to work at 9 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m.
I go to school at 8 a.m. I go to school at 8 a.m.
What do you do in the evening? What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV, read a book, and go to bed at 10 p.m. I watch TV, read a book, and go to bed at 10 p.m.
Me too.
Great work. Part 5. Mini quiz. Let's test your memory with a short quiz. What is the English word for standing up from bed? What do we say? I eat in the morning. I have. What do we say before sleeping? I go to. Get up. Breakfast. Bed. Excellent. Well done. You finished Lesson 2. Daily routine. Today you learned vocabulary for daily activities, time expressions, morning, afternoon, evening, night. How to make simple daily routine sentences. A short conversation about daily routine. Your homework. Write 5 sentences about your own daily routine in English. Example. I wake up at 7. I go to school at 8. I have lunch at 1. I watch TV in the evening. I sleep at 10. Share your sentences in the comments and I will check them. Remember, new lessons every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Don't miss Lesson 3, where we will learn numbers and telling the time in English. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.